Good morning students. We are discussing chapter number 15, I go to styles. In previous video we studied the beginning of the chapter that Mr. Hastings, he had given a month's sick leave. He wished to visit Styles to meet his friend John Cavendish. John Cavendish invited him at Styles. He informed about his mother's second marriage. After that, after 3 days, Mr. Hastings descended from the train at Styles St. Mary. After that conversation, after 3 days, Mr. Hastings, he reached to Styles St. Mary station. John Cavendish, he reached there and he was waiting on the platform and piloted him out to the car. Now in the car, Mr. Cavendish, Mr. John Cavendish and Mr. Hastings, they were on the way to their home. During that time, they were talking about different characters. John Cavendish, he informed Mr. Hastings that he drilled with the volunteers twice a week and helped at the farms. John Cavendish informed John Cavendish, he informed Mr. Hastings that he drilled with the volunteers twice a week and helped at the farms. Mary Cavendish, his wife, worked regularly on the land. So Mary Cavendish, wife of John Cavendish, worked regularly on the farms. On the land, it means on the farms. Then John Cavendish gave introduction of Cynthia. John Cavendish talked about Cynthia. Cynthia, she was a protege, means a caretaker of his mother's, the daughter of an old school fellow of hers who married a rascally solicitor. Solicitor means a lawyer. He came a cropper means failed, and the girl was left an orphan and penniless. After that, Emily Inglethorpe, he came to the rescue and she brought Cynthia to her house. So from Cynthia had been with them for last 2 years. Cynthia, she worked in the Red Cross Hospital at Tadminster. Finally, Mr. John Cavendish and Hastings, they drew up in front of the fine old house. Means finally, they reached to the house of John Cavendish. Mr. Hastings was introduced to Miss Howard Evie. When they got down from the car, Mr. John, he introduced Miss Howard Evie to Mr. Hastings. Miss Howard Evie, she was companion of Mrs. Emily Inglethorpe and cousin of Mr. Inglethorpe. After that, John Cavendish introduced his wife to Mr. Hastings, and Mary Cavendish, she greeted him with a few words of pleasant welcome, and later on she offered some tea. So when they got down from the car at Styles Court, Mr. Hastings, he was introduced to Miss Howard Evie and Mary Cavendish. After some time, there was appearance of Mrs. Inglethorpe. Mrs. Inglethorpe means Mrs. Emily Inglethorpe came and she was delighted to see Mr. Hastings after a long time. As Mr. Alfred Inglethorpe, he was also with her, so she introduced her husband to Mr. Hastings. Mr. Inglethorpe, he wished Mr. Hastings that it was pleasure to meet him. After that, Mrs. Inglethorpe she turned to give some instruction to Miss Howard Amy. During that time, Mr. Alfred Inglethorpe he addressed Mr. Hastings and inquired if soldiering was his profession. He inquired if soldiering was his regular profession. In response to this question, Mr. Hastings replied that he was in lawyers. That is an insurance market in London. So before soldiering, before he became the soldier, he was in lawyers. Then Mary Cavendish, she asked if he had a secret hobby. In that question, Mr. Hastings replied that he wanted to be a detective. Thank you.